When a Kenmore dryer fails to start, there are several potential reasons for the issue. The problem may be due to a faulty door switch, a faulty thermal fuse, or a damaged control board. To address these issues, start by replacing the door switch if it's faulty, as a malfunctioning switch can prevent the dryer from recognizing that the door is closed. This can be determined by shutting the dryer's door and listening for a clicking sound. If no sound is present, the door switch may be defective. If replacing the door switch doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to check the thermal fuse, which is designed to prevent the dryer from overheating. The thermal fuse can be found on the blower housing or near the heating element, and can be tested for continuity using a multimeter. If the fuse has no continuity, it should be replaced. If neither of these solutions works, inspect the control board by first disconnecting the dryer from the power source, then removing the control panel to access the board. After removing all connected wires, examine the control board for any damage, and use a multimeter to test for 0 ohms if damaged or defective. The control board should be replaced. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a Kenmore dryer that won't start.